Can I access the call recordings? Yes. So all the lead manager call recordings are in Go High Level, and then your calls are recorded too, and the entire conversation that comes through it's all recorded. So if you sent them an email, if you sent them a text, if it was a call and it's recorded, there's a list in the conversations tab in the CRM. So you can see the history with that individual person. And then with the cold calls, we make millions, 5 million cold calls, I think we made last year. And so we make millions of cold calls. Though it's such a high level of recordings in that case, you can have those at upon request. But ultimately, we're trying to cut time and fluff out of the system. And so, yeah, we do have people listen to cold calls, of course, but it's not like we're not pushing thousands of cold call recordings to people. It's just pointless. What we're doing is we're building automated systems that run extremely smoothly. That just doesn't fit in with a North Star. So we will give you cold call recordings as much as you want. Eventually, you're going to get sick of it because they all sound the same. And the cool calls to listen to that are all right there for you are the lead managers when our acquisitions person's on the phone qualifying them. That's where you're getting some real information.